Happy St. Emmanuel's Day. Love that kind. I've got my Irish eyes smiling with my green beer. Maybe I'll have the luck of the Irish and get drunk. Not just meat, but more meat. Lots of meat. Roaches meat. That's right, 2 corned beefs, no waiting, in the slime pots, because these are our pots. So anyway, more meat, because everybody gobbledygooks up the meat, and you need that kind. Onion, cabbage, carrots, patatas are not on the counter, but we do have snips. We have snips. We're going to put in some snips this year. Some big fat motherfuckers. Look at that. Big fat mat size. Love that kind. So anyway, the wife is going to cry now because I'm recording. I mean because of an onion. And doop-de-doo. Stewed shrooms. In wine and all kinds of other good stuffs. More of the same there. The ice machine will be firing in a moment. So we'll wait for that. You can hear the compressor. Ah, yes. Beautiful. We had the shrooms in all 3, and then of course they cook down because they don't fit in just the 2 until they cook down, and then you can fit them in the 2, and I don't have anything to put in there right now. Oh, the warming tray. Party finger foods. Pigs in a blanket. Boom, boom.
It's my favorite Alcoholiday. This is Jay's green beer. But as you can see, I'm dressed. Have the shamrock earrings, and a cool shamrock hat.
That hat is just plain fucking awesome.
Irish all the way.
Oi! So we got onion in the pots, and it's going to be on the burl. They say it's not easy being green, but as long as I got that kind of beer, I think I'll be fine. Love that kind.
Peekaboo.
Oh, it's an Irish kind.
Ooh, lost the hat in the process.
Okay, we're on the gin and tonic hard. It's alright, I got lime in there, so it's green. We're good. And here's the vegetable platter. Yes, I made this all myself kind. Cut it all up and saved about $47,000. That's on full tilt-a-whirl. Love that kind. We're getting bowls, plates, all that kind of great stuff. And we have the shrooms I showed you before. Oh, Dick. Alexa, stop. Not yet. Gonna need probably 2 minutes. Alexa! Hot dog timer, 2 minutes.
Second time, 2 minutes, starting now.
Love that kind. Barf. Alright, we ate all that and everything else kind. What we have here. Oh, Irish Soderberg.
I'm sorry to bother you, ma'am. Could you help an old Soderberg gather his spectacles? No!
Homemade kind. Homemade Butsker.
Punch that stuff down on
Oh, Dick, you're cooking?
there. He's helping.
Uh-oh. We're gonna die. Well, yeah, cover it up before anybody sees. Don't want that.
Oh, you want to see it? I was gonna add more water.
Yeah, show me this one, sure.
He stirred both, actually.
I know. I'm catting around. We keep the tags on so it looks authentic.
Yeah.
So, yeah, everything's rolling. Everything's good. We'll take it down to the bar because I have no reason to go down there. Oh, I love that kind. No, we're not drunk. What are you talking about? No, we're going down to the bar. See, this is where the drinks go when they're tired. They go down to the bar. So we love that kind. And then we go down to the bar. I love that kind. Oh, I love that kind. Oh, the bar. There's not as much shit here. Oh, look. I may have showed you this. I don't even remember now. I used my Oneida stainless fruit muddler and muddled the fruits. I have China LEDs to review, so we have to do that soon. Right. So we're waiting for everything to finish. I've cut up the meat. We're waiting for the vegetables to burl. Waiting for the cabbage to burl. And all that other stuff. We put in the snips and the carotids and all that other stuff. And that's all in, and we're just waiting for all that kind. And then I made Jay's fancy mustard. You know, the mustard, M-O-O-U-S-T-A-R-D. Because we're on the Irish kind. What does that have to do with that? We're on the mustard. Orange marmalade and mustard. And we did 4 different kinds of mustard. I love that kind. We did like Dijon, and we did Heure de France, which is French. You could ask Jean Papin. Then we did, spicy brown mustard, and then we did Francis American yellow mustard. Oh, it farted on my hot dog. Oh no. So I sounded just like Paul Lynde there. That was scary. Okay. A little bit drunk. So we're just waiting for the cabbage and all the vegetables to finish. And then we can have our spinach. Love that kind. I gotta start wearing my hats again. I don't know, I just stopped for no reason. I think I look better because otherwise I'm just going fucking bald. I'm going like Gallagher. You know, it's just like totally bald now. Not cool. Not cool. See, you just get old and this shit happens. And, Tall Boy, Michael Geggs, no. Yeah, nobody gets old, sure. Nobody gets old when they hit 30, I know. And then it doesn't work that one day. And you're like, yeah, I don't know what the hell. And then it works again, so, like, you forget about it. Yeah, I remembered. Anyway, so that's what happened. I went bald. And, we're going to wait for dinner to come out now. Love that kind. The Lucky Duck. I'm telling you never heard of this place before. They have everything. As far as you ever know. I'm telling you everything they ever had. And we got the cake.
Deliciously looking cake.
With the stuff.
Homemade.
From the Ducky Luck.
It's
from the Ducky Luck.
No, it's homemade.
Yeah, homemade from the Ducky Luck stuff. Shamrock rocks and things like that. I don't know why you put rocks on a cake, but that's another story.
It's for bling.
It's for bling, yes. So having the Irish green cake, yeah? I don't even think you all saw the corned beef, but that's all put away now. But, you saw it in the pots. There's one, here's another one. It's lion safe with the thing on top, so the lions don't eat it. This has to go in the fridge. That's not good. Put that in the fridge. Oh, there's the stard I made. That's stard. He's got stard and an orange marmalade and butter. We made fresh butter and stuff. Lots of butter and stuff and things and stuff, and I love that kind. Burp. Meat cake.
Oh, I saw what I did. Frank and my nice. You never live. You don't
Roaches. And coffee cages. Yay!
What's yours?
Oh my goodness! Color cookies kind. My favorites. I broke my sister.
She hasn't stopped. She can't breathe.
She's-
Whenever we go to open house, to like leave your name and email and your phone number, and Joe's just like.
Well, there you go. She's taking a shit everywhere. People remember. She remembers taking a shit everywhere. Right. Right, that's what happened. You take a shit everywhere? Oh, wait, you're not Shaitan. You forgot.
No.
What about you? You take a shit everywhere? No. What about you? No. Nobody else here at the table. No, I don't take a shit anywhere. The only place I like to take a shit is in my own fucking toilet. Right. Down called Casson. Clean it the fuck up. Oh, Dick. The TV got tired. Look at this. Oh, cat toys. Look. They'll tell you that kind. Look. See? It got tired. It shut off. It's like, fuck you. But it's alright. Saturn is on. I love that kind. Did you break the sink?
Please help me.
Uh-oh. Somebody broke the sink.
Wow, Jay, you fixed it.
Yeah, there he goes. I love that kind. Yeah!
Good
Love
job.
that kind.
Good job.
I love that kind, yeah. Maybe one day it'll actually work the way it used to when the garglage disposal worked. I have a brand new one, exactly the same. Brand, model, everything that it was when it was put in, probably in '94. Brand new, mint in the box, never used, from Will Butter. Lexmarks 5, 6, 7. This is why you have to have alliances with other tubers, you know. Lexmarks 5, 6, 7. We're gonna fix this shit one day and that. Because I mean, you know, it's there, but I want to fix the whole drain, you know, because it's supposed to have the rubber flapper things in it. It doesn't have that kind anymore, and just put that in and make it look nice, and you know, whatever, and there's onions in it and shit like that. But anyway, you know, it'll actually work and look nice and that, and you can turn the switch on, and it'll actually garglage dispose and all kinds of stuff like that kind. And it'll actually work right instead of having to, you know, put the shit down it like this kind, and then it goes in the dishwasher because there's no backflow, because that's how it was in the 1950s, and I love that kind. Right. So anyway, the sink works now. I love that kind. Ooh, party leftovers. I love that kind. Over here. Yay! Oh look, people didn't finish their coffee cated. That's not a good thing. But I found some wino. He's red. I love that kind. Yay! Oh, that's gonna be a tidy little sum right there, isn't it? I don't know where the cork is. Here it is. Down there. Oh yes. The red wine. Red wine does not go with does not go with this music. Just in case nobody knows, it's the Doors. Gloria by the Doors. Very undersung, underplayed song kind, but I'm on the red wine hard. Let's just head down to the bar for a minute. Love that kind. It's been a long time since it's been 10:33 and I still have a full drink. Oh, I love that kind. Yes. Well, it's been a long time. I love that kind. So here we are at the bar with nobody else but red wine. You make me feel so fine. Yeah. This is gonna fucking hurt tomorrow. I don't think I actually drank, believe it or not, since Malcolm Xmas. Yeah, it's been about that long. Oh, there might have been a night where I had a drink or two, but nothing like this. We're down easy 10. Easy 10 drinks, no question. Definitely gonna hurt tomorrow. I'm wondering if the red wine will make me feel so fine or it will make me feel like a bag of shit. I haven't decided yet. But I'm going to finish that, and I think that will be the last drink of the night. Thank you for watching. St. Emmanuel will say, the Alcoholiday. Indeed. Have a good evening, or afternoon, or morning, whenever you decide to watch this. Thank you for watching. Make sure you click like. Make sure you drink your wine. And take care. We'll pour you a glass next time. Love that kind.